comes from education. Where does the education come from? It comes from investing money in training, investing time in classes like this. We regularly 10x residential inquiries. If you could 10x your business for new inquiries, that's some going, right? Anybody here want to 10x their business? Yeah, I'll have me some of that, yeah. So you can't do it on every single one, but 6 months, a year, 2 years from now, yeah, you can 10x this solar cleaning business if you educate yourself and if you really decide this is for me. And you'll outstrip whatever you're earning on windows. You know, if you're a one-man band on windows, you can outstrip your window cleaning earnings pretty easy by doing solar. That's all, folks. Am I allowed 5 minutes for questions?
Absolutely.
Yeah? Anybody got any questions? Now, before you ask your question, bear in mind that tomorrow we're going through equipment and safety. They're the two main topics for tomorrow.